Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $321 that I plan on putting into all my envelopes. I have my weekly spending envelopes, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So first gonna start off in my wallet. Usually I put the same amount in my wallet, but I was realizing when I was doing a little inventory in my fridge and my kitchen pantries and all that, that I actually have a decent amount of food that I can go through, some frozen stuff, some things that last week I bought to make for lunches and realized, oh no, we're doing stuff at work and they're treating us lunch, so I didn't have to make lunches as often as I normally did. So I have some food that I can roll over basically to this week. There's still some things I want to buy, like fresh things I want to buy for this week as well. So my grocery budget basically isn't going to be what I normally have it at. It's going to be a little bit lower just because I don't need as much. And I'm trying to really eat what I have right now so it doesn't go bad. And then I have to toss it. So I think I might do this periodically, kind of just take an inventory of what I have. And then based on that week, if I have a decent amount of things, then I'll just cut my grocery budget a little bit since I don't need as much. And I probably shouldn't be buying more stuff if I have things that I can make and eat. So usually my budget for groceries, my grocery envelope is $80 for the week. I'm thinking, like I said, I'm just gonna buy fresh stuff. So, you know, veggies and fruits, maybe a chicken, like a rotisserie chicken. If I go to Costco, that's $5, so that's not bad. So I might do that, and that'll really cut down on my budget for the week. So usually 80, I'm gonna do 50 this week, and hopefully that's enough. I've never done this before, but I think that should be enough for what I need when I'm mentally making a list in my head how much I need. So I'm gonna do 50, so I'm gonna do 150. Let me actually go down here. Spending is gonna be its normal amount, which is 30, so 20 and a 10. Eating out is also 30, so 20 and a 10. Groceries I already did, that's the 50. Coffee, I'm gonna do 20, so that's 2 10s. And then buffer is 10, so that's 5, and then 5 1s. All right, so what do I have? I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 35, 140. And usually I do 170. Yeah, so usually I do 170, so that's $30 less at 140, and that's the $30 that I didn't put towards groceries. So, oh, what am I doing? I messed up right here. Sorry. I didn't mean to put it there. I meant to put it here. Okay, so 140 is my amount for my wallet, okay? 140. That leaves me with 181, which isn't a lot. And I say it's not a lot because I have a lot of envelopes and savings challenges that I want to fill. So we're going to try my best to do that. First one is, I'm just going to do a roll the dice one right now and see what I get for this one. Get my dice and a sticky note. All right, I'm gonna roll twice. Okay, that's the first one, and then the second one, 2 and 2, which is the mini bar, and that's $3. Okay, one more roll. All right, 3 and 5, and that is the mint chocolate chip ice cream, so that is 4, and that is 7. Oh, I need to toss this pen. I feel like I keep grabbing that pen and it's just not working. Okay, $7 in this one for the snacks. Yes. All right, so that's it for that one. I'm gonna come back to my savings challenges and fill those after I do some in my envelopes. So let's do some priority envelopes that I have right now. So in here we're gonna do auto at 10, extra savings at 10, and I think Christmas. Yeah, Christmas at 10. Okay, I'm probably just gonna put a bunch of 5s and everything else. All right, auto, oh no, I did that one. Electronics is getting 5. Emergency will get 5. Already did extra savings. Okay, furniture, I decided last week that I'm not stuffing this anymore until I use this envelope. Right now I have $285, which is a really decent amount in there for what I'm thinking I need. So I'm pausing stuffing this until I spend. So I'm skipping that one. Month ahead will get 5. Rainy day, 5. Registration, 5. Road trip, 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 5. And travel, 5. Okay, so I have enough for like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Oh yeah, I should be fine. Yeah, okay. I just want to make sure I'm good. So beauty is getting 5. Might come back to that one. Clothing is getting 5. Costco is not getting anything this week. Family is getting 5. Gifts is getting 5. Home is getting 5. Household is getting 5. Pantry is not getting anything because that's fully funded at 30. And then Target's getting 5. All right. Ooh, actually Disneyland. Kind of want to put more in Disneyland. So I'm going to Disneyland. I went to Disneyland yesterday. I'm exhausted. This is why this video is coming out so late, because I didn't get home till almost 2 in the morning. We stayed until midnight. My friend drove, thankfully. I didn't have to drive. So happy about that. But I'm so tired. We walked, what, like 25,000 steps? It was a crazy amount. But it was so nice. Like, the park was so empty. A lot of rides we just kind of went right on. Maybe like 5. Indiana Jones was like 15 minutes. Walked right on to Ariel. Thunder Mountain was like 15 minutes. It was amazing. It was the perfect day to go. I think because, I don't know if it was because of people weren't going to the parks because next week is Halloween and maybe they're saving it for that, or because of the D23 thing that was going on nearby, and everybody was kind of over there too. But it was a perfect day to go. Okay, so I'm going also to Disneyland this upcoming Friday because that's the first day of Halloween. I'm going with another friend, and that's gonna have like a whole new food budget or food menu that I want to eat from. There's like new drinks and new food items and treats and stuff like that. So I definitely want to make a little list of things that I want to try. Treat yourself is getting 5. So I'm putting 10 in Disneyland. I'm going to put way more next week, but 10 for now. And then fun will get 5. Oops, dropped my stop. Hobbies is getting 5. Christmas already did. Holiday decor getting 5. Oh my goodness. Okay, and that's it. All right. Okay, that actually worked out a lot better than I thought. I'm left with 34. Okay, so I have 100 envelope, which I always do 5, and then with leftover money, I will put more in here. So for now, I'm planning for 5. So 5. Okay, and then savings binders here. I have a couple savings challenges. So I have this one, which is a $10 challenge. So I'll just plan for 10 on this one. This one, which is just a nice little simple challenge, I'll plan for 2, and then again with leftover money I can bump it up. So we'll do 2 on this one. I have treat yourself, which is this one. I'm just gonna plan for 5 and maybe bump it up with leftover money. Then I have this one. This one I'm gonna do 5. Oh, this is gonna work out. Actually, I wanna do one more envelope. And then I have 7 left. There was 1 envelope, beauty, because I'm actually running low. I didn't realize I was running low until recently on a couple of beauty items. So I want to at least replace 1. And I'm going to put 10 in here instead of 5. So I'm just going to add another 5 to beauty right here. This will be 10 now. And then the 2 will go into the dollar challenge, which is this one right here. Oops. Well, -2. I messed it all up. Whatever. Okay. I'm gonna count it right now, and then hopefully it all adds up to 321. All right, number looks good. I'm at 321, so now I can do the tallies for this. So Otto is getting 10, 5, 5, 10. 5's here. 10, 5, 10, 5's, 10, 5, 5, 10, 2 for cash dash, 5, 7 for here for snacks, so that's 5 and 2 1s, and then 5 and then 2. Okay, now I'm going to count up the tallies. So 50 I have 1, 20, 2, 10s, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then 2 1s. I have 5, 7, 9, 11. 2, 4, 6, 11, yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply these two. So 50 times 1 is 50. 2 times 20 is 40. 10 times 10 is 100. And then 24 times 5 is 120. And 11. Okay, let's see if I did this right. So 50, 40, 100, 120, 11. Perfect. All right, so when I go to the bank right now, I'm going to ask for, in 50s, 1, $50. 20s, 2, that's $40. 10s, 10, 100. And then 5s, 24, 120, 1, 11, $11. Okay, so that is a total of $321 that I'm going to ask for when I go to the bank today. All right, so that is my cash plan for the week. I'm excited to have like a smaller grocery budget to really make me go through what I currently have on hand and eat through it. Sometimes you can be bad about that. So I'm excited to do that little challenge and see how that turns out, so that way I can implement it. Maybe every month try to do this. We shall see. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Hype it up if you have any hypes. Yeah, haven't already, subscribe. That also really helps out my channel. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.